Welcome to the HAL APS channel. In this video we will demonstrate how to add a material, semi-finished product, finished product. Select items in the menu and click Add. In most cases, information about a new stock item comes via an interface from an ERP system, PLM or product configurator. If you do not use an ERP system in the production area, you must create the item in HAL APS. Let's define a sheet metal roll with dimensions of 6 by 1220 m. That's all, just the short name, full name, unit of measure, selection of the type of warehouse item. The rest is optional. Clicking Save will show additional tabs which we will discuss in detail in the next videos. There are methods of stock replenishment, 3D parameters, information about warehouse movements, about batches and DDMRP. For more information on HAL APS, including our list pricing, please visit the HAL APS web page. If you're looking to learn more about using HAL APS, our YouTube channel offers a vast selection of tutorial videos,